Every week, we update you about what's going on with COVID in Sonoma County, and we hope that the information we provide you also is useful for our surrounding counties. And so we want to make sure that you're aware that the County of Sonoma recognizes that there's going to be an increase in cases of coronavirus, and sometimes it's the flu, and sometimes it's monkeypox. And so the community is invited in general to be aware of the COVID testing clinics and testing sites that are going to be available in the community. And so, starting in December, there's going to be, which started obviously today, there's going to be a lot of places where you can get tested. And in some of these places, if you qualify, you could also get a prescription to be able to immediately get the medication, excuse me, that can limit the amount of suffering that you can go through with COVID-19. So I'm going to quickly go over this information. Mondays, they're going to be available at 440 Dutton Avenue in Santa Rosa from 8 in the morning until 4 p.m. And as well in Petaluma, the same times, 8 in the morning until 4 p.m. At 721 South McDowell Boulevard, again, they can prescribe you the medication if you happen to test positive. On Tuesdays, and this is again the whole month of December, Alliance Medical Center, Tuesdays will be open from 8 until 4 at 1381 University Avenue in Hillsburg, and they too can prescribe the medication. At the Kotari Park and Ride, they also have that ability from 8 in the morning until 4 p.m. on Tuesdays at 146 St. Joseph Way in Kotari. And you can also get tested, but not get the prescription if necessary at the Roseland Community Center, Fox Home Health, because they don't have somebody who can write prescriptions there. That is at 779 Sebastopol Road in Santa Rosa, 9 a.m. until 4 p.m. on Tuesdays. On Wednesdays, you can go to the Kotari Park and Ride between 8 in the morning and 4 p.m. Once again, that is at 146 South Joseph Way in Kotari. You can also get the prescription on Wednesdays between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. at 440 Dutton Avenue in Santa Rosa, and at the Roseland Community Center, Fox Home Health, you can get tested between 9 in the morning and 4 p.m., but you do not get the prescription. That is at 779 Sebastopol Road in Santa Rosa. Thursdays, San Joseph Church parking lot, which is located at 150 San Joseph Way in Kotari across from Parish Hall. You can be there from 8 in the morning until 4 p.m. And again, that is Thursdays. You can also get the prescription there, as well as at Galvin Park, which is between 8 in the morning and 4 p.m. at 3330 Yulupa Avenue in Santa Rosa. And again, you can get tested but not get the prescription at Roseland Community Center on Thursdays from 9 a.m. until 4 p.m., which is located at 779 Sebastopol Road in Santa Rosa. Fridays, Alexander Valley Healthcare can also provide you the prescription between 8 in the morning and 4 p.m. at 6 Tarman Drive in Cloverdale. Also on Fridays, you can get the prescription at 440 Dutton Avenue in Santa Rosa between 8 in the morning and 4 p.m. And you can get tested at 779 Sebastopol Road between 9 in the morning and 4 p.m., which is again the Roseland Community Center. On Saturdays, you can go to the Knox Presbyterian Church, where you can get the prescription between 8 in the morning and 4 p.m. at 1650 West 3rd Street in Santa Rosa. And Sonoma Valley Community Health Center also has the prescription between 8 in the morning and 4 p.m. at 19270 Sonoma Highway in Sonoma. They want to let you know that they will be closed on December 24th and December 31st. And then in Roseland Community Center, also Saturdays between 9 in the morning and 1 p.m. at 779 Sebastopol Road in Santa Rosa. Finally, on Sundays, all clinics, it's important that you know that all clinics will be closed on December 25th. But we want to make sure that on Sundays, the rest of the month, at 440 Dutton Avenue in Santa Rosa, between 8 in the morning and 4 p.m., you can go get tested and get your prescription. And Sundays as well at the former Annalee High School campus. That is 6950 Annalee Avenue in Sebastopol, now known as the West County High School. They also can write you the prescription between 8 in the morning and 4 p.m. And so you are invited again to take care of your health. We also want to remind you, on behalf of Líderes del Futuro, that just because it's a tradition to go visit family, you do not have to go if your mental health or your physical health are at risk. If you are an individual who is immunocompromised, and you have family members who have chosen not to vaccinate, again, you must take care of yourself and your family. You have the right to stay home. And also, you have the right to stay home if going to visit family members means that all wounds are going to come up, that arguments will come up. Don't put yourself in that situation. Please take care of your mental health. Please take care of your physical health during this winter season. And a couple of last comments here. There have been 69 positive cases of COVID. And again, that's the number is low, and that's because a lot of people are just testing at home and then not reporting the results. But it's beautiful to see that 912 new vaccines were administered in the last 24 hours. And it's also nice to see that no deaths have been reported as a result of COVID. We know that because of the last celebration last week, a number of cases will pop up over the next couple of weeks. And then we have other holidays. So please take care of yourself. And the last thing we want to make sure you know, the County of Sonoma is issuing a freeze warning in response to the National Weather Service prediction for freezing overnight lows. This started last night on Wednesday, and it will go until Monday morning. This could result in snow and black ice. And the County of Sonoma recommends that residents limit time outdoors as serious medical conditions, including hypothermia and frostbite, can develop with prolonged cold weather exposure. So we want to make sure that you are aware of the information that the County of Sonoma is providing to our community. And please take care of yourself because, again, it is important that our community understands that there are not a lot of places where people are going to be able to go indoors. At this moment, the County of Sonoma apparently is working on winter shelters, but not much has been put together. Here is what we just got from the winter shelters. It says that in Guerneville, the West County Community Services, the Veterans Building, will have some winter cold freezing shelter space. In Hillsburg, Reach for Home at St. Paul's Episcopal Church. That will be open when temperature falls below 38 degrees or 2 or more days of rain. Limited dinners available. Check-in is between 6 and 9 p.m. Checkout is at 7 in the morning. That one is available for adults and families. For the Guerneville one, it doesn't give us all of the details, so you can call 707-823-1640, 707-823-1640. In Santa Rosa, the Redwood Gospel Mission is going to have a shelter Intake starts at 1 p.m. in the chapel. Individuals must have ID. We know that that is beneficial, but at the same time, that is problematic because some of our individuals in our community who do not have a home, they do not have IDs. They may have lost them, so on and so forth. And we know that the IDs is also to keep people safe and secure. If something happens, they can identify individuals. But at the same time, that in itself creates problems for our community. But they will be taking people from 7 p.m. and from 5 p.m. until 7 a.m. Intake starts at 1 p.m. This is for adults and families, and is a sober shelter. And Catholic Charities will have a warming center at the Caritas Center, which is located at 301 6th Street, Suite 108 in Santa Rosa. The entrance is on Morgan and 6th Street. This is Tuesday, November 29 until December 3rd from 7 p.m. until 7 a.m. And again, there's not a lot of other information here at this moment from the County of Sonoma. So whatever other information we get, we will post it in our Facebook page, DACA Sonoma County. That is DACA Sonoma County, and on our Facebook page, Líderes del Futuro. And with that, we come to the end